Hello, today we are visiting our client, who, in his dream dome house, has been living for some time. This unique dwelling was equipped according to the owner's wishes and needs. Therefore, it not only meets his expectations, but also creates a special living environment quality. Although the host initially did not want to share images of his home widely, our respect for his privacy made him feel free and safe. He eventually allowed us to not only take photos and to film his own home, but also to share some of the footage with you. While talking to the host, we heard that he feels extremely well in the dome. Everything is created the way he always wanted, from space feeling to a cozy atmosphere. We asked him to share his impressions about sound insulation. For example, does it interfere the patter of raindrops or strong wind? The answer was absolutely certain. Nothing disturbs the peace in the dome. Another remarkable fact: when skeptical guests visit this house for the first time, it takes them only a few minutes to change opinion. The dome seems to calm and inspire, which often becomes a pleasant discovery for both the host and his guests. Perhaps this is the result of the home aura created by the host, or maybe the special dome construction, which affects human senses. However, one thing is clear: the dome house has an extraordinary ability to create extraordinary harmony and well-being. If you dream of an exceptional housing, which will give you the opportunity to relax, to get away from everyday life, and just enjoy life, a dome house may be exactly what you are looking for. Immerse yourself in a new quality of life. In the domes, create your own world and enjoy life. I hope these shots and this story will inspire you to think about your dream home. If you have any questions, you can always write. I will be happy to share my experience.